When you query a database table with 1,000,000 rows, you rarely want all of them. The here clause is SQL's most fundamental filter. It decides which rows make it into your results and which get left behind. Here works at the row level, before any grouping or aggregation happens. Think of it as a gatekeeper. The database engine scans each row, evaluates your condition, and only rows that pass the test move forward to the result set. This filtering happens early in the query pipeline, which makes it extremely efficient. The syntax is straightforward. To select columns are from table here condition. For example, S select name, salary from employees here department equals sales. This returns only sales department employees you can filter on any column. Numbers, text, dates. And the condition must evaluate to true for each row to be included. Here supports a rich set of comparison operators, equal and not equal for exact matches, less than, greater than, less than or equal, and greater than or equal for numeric and date ranges. Like for pattern matching with wildcards, in to check if a value exists in a list, and between for inclusive range checks. These operators give you precise control over which rows to retrieve. Combine multiple conditions using AND for rows that meet all criteria, or OR for rows that meet any criteria. One key distinction. If filters individual rows before grouping, while having filters groups after a group by. Use here for row-level filtering and having for aggregate filtering. Here is your precision tool for filtering rows based on conditions. Master comparison operators and logical combinations to write efficient, targeted SQL queries. Practice on Interview Mentor to ace your next database interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.